Okay, welcome to World Famous Foods again with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing some fried chicken. Very simple recipe. So, we got a nice clean chicken right here that was washed with some lemon juice. Egg wash that we have mixed with a little bit of water and some cayenne pepper. Our flour dip. We're gonna mix this with some salt, oregano, black pepper, garlic powder, basil, paprika, ground mustard, cayenne pepper, and thyme.
All right, we have the chicken, add the egg wash into the flour, do it as light or thick as you like, and then that's going to go into the oil. Nice golden brown until it floats to the top of the oil, and then you know it's done.
Okay, so these guys been going out for about 50 minutes. They're floating to the top. Take them out. Nice color. That's the color you want right there.
Nice golden color. Nice and crispy.
All right, so here we go with some world famous fried chicken. Start off with the boneless here. Very nice, very juicy. Let's try some of the wing here with the bone. Top notch. Good stuff.
World famous.